Hi everyone. Welcome to Tong Shu Numbers Academy. I'm excited to take you on a journey through the fascinating teachings of Tong Shu, a revered book of Chinese wisdom. Today, we will talk about a day in life with Tong Shu. Imagine waking up in the morning flipping through Tong Shu and you see this. In the morning, it is marked with travel luck. You decide to reschedule a non-essential meeting, opting for a client visit on a communication auspicious day. In the afternoon, you realize your zodiac sign clashes with your colleagues today. You approach your interaction with extra mindfulness and choose collaboration over competition. In the evening, you discover an upcoming full moon of harmony. You gather your family for a mindful dinner, reflecting on gratitude and strengthening your bond. While Tong Shu offers valuable guidance, it shouldn't replace personal responsibility and critical thinking. Life is complex, and numerous factors influence outcomes. Use the Tong Shu as a tool for awareness, not blind decision-making. Do you know what other aspects of Tong Shu can be used for? Leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel to see more.